Hi everyone. I had a friend, Phil, bring over a 78 Mini. It wouldn't start. So you think, well, it's got to be pretty simple. It's either fuel or spark. So in his distributor, he had the original distributor, this is the Lucas distributor, and this is an aftermarket Petronix distributor with the electronic ignition. So Phil had taken out the points out of the original distributor and put in Petronix. So we had lots of fuel. There was no problem there. I checked spark, and I checked it at every spark plug. We had spark at every spark plug, no problem. I measured the quality of spark, which you can do with an adjustable spark tester like this, and you can vary those points apart, and you can see if it's got good spark or weak spark or strong spark. Bluer spark is better than orange. So now I've checked everything. Now I'm checking everything twice. We've changed a few coils to see if anything was going on there, but we had lots of spark. So eventually I measured the distance between these 2 points right here and these 2 points right here. And one of those caps, this one here, is the Lucas cap. Sorry. And this cap here is a Petronix cap. Now the difference between those two, I got 52 mil on the Lucas cap, and on the Petronix cap was actually 30 thou, or 0.762 millimeters, bigger. So therefore, that would be a spark plug gap. And you haven't even got to the spark plug yet. So now the spark jumps the gap here, goes down to the plug, and it has to jump another gap, which is why the car wouldn't run, but it was trying to start. You know, it was backfiring and going and almost catching, but never really going. I replaced the Petronix cap with just a standard cap, and it ran fantastic. So there is a difference in the size in between those terminals, just so you know, between Petronix and the standard Lucas cap. Now, if I was going to use Petronix, use it as a set. Use the cap and rotor. Petronix is great. I really do like it, and find it really reliable. All right, talk to you again. Bye.